You guys, the world is literally smaller than ever before. We're talking about a global marketplace right at your fingertips. It's insane. In today's globalized world, the potential for businesses to cross borders and reach international customers has never been more exciting. But how do you go from selling locally to making your mark on the global stage? That's what we're diving into today. Buckle up, because I'm about to break down the key steps to help you crush it on your international e-commerce journey. Look, you can't just copy and paste your domestic strategy for a global audience. It doesn't work like that. You've got to understand your market. Expanding globally requires a clear understanding of your target audience in different regions. You need to know who you're selling to. What are their needs? What are their pain points? What gets them fired up? Research market trends, cultural preferences, and consumer behavior to identify high-demand products. For instance, health-focused products like cold-pressed oils are gaining traction globally, but maybe in one country it's all about coconut oil, and in another it's all about avocado oil. Do your homework. Your website is your digital storefront, and it needs to be on point. A strong online presence is essential. Create a website optimized for international customers with multilingual support and local currency options. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make this seamless. No excuses. And don't forget about global marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. These platforms already have a massive audience, so tap into that. List your products there and watch your reach explode. Shipping internationally can be a beast, but it's a beast you can tame. Shipping internationally comes with challenges like customs, taxes, and delivery timelines. You've got to be on top of it. Partner with reliable shipping providers who know their stuff. And make sure you're compliant with all the export regulations. This isn't the time to cut corners. One of the biggest things people care about is speed and affordability. If you can offer fast and affordable delivery, that's a game changer. It's a massive competitive edge. All right, you've got your product, your website, your logistics sorted. Now you've got to get the word out. Reaching a global audience requires effective marketing strategies. Think outside the box. Be creative. And don't be afraid to experiment. Use social media ads, Google ads, and influencer collaborations to promote your products. But remember, it's not just about shouting your message from the rooftops. It's about connecting with people on a deeper level. Highlight unique selling points like quality, sustainability, or cultural heritage to resonate with diverse audiences. In the online world, trust is everything. You've got to build that trust with your customers, especially when you're dealing with international buyers. Build trust with customers by showcasing testimonials, certifications, and clear return policies. People want to see social proof. Let them hear from other happy customers. Show off any certifications or awards you've received, and be transparent about your return policies. This shows that you stand behind your product and that you care about customer satisfaction. Transparency matters in building lasting relationships. It's all about building those long-term relationships. Listen, the world is your oyster. The world is your marketplace, and the opportunities are endless. With the right strategy, you can not only grow your business, but also create a brand that resonates worldwide. It's not just about selling more, it's about building something meaningful that connects with people all over the planet. Have you considered expanding your business globally? Share your experiences or challenges in the comments. I'd love to discuss. Let's crush this.